Meet Meru. Named after the mythical mountain at the center of the world, Meru is built to be exactly that. Your single center point for every piece of Earth data you'll ever need. No more juggling through dozens of portals, downloads, or formats. Meru brings the whole planet into one place and puts it a single prompt away from you. The eyes of the platform, optical and radar imagery. Behind the view sits Sentinel 2. With one request, Meru gives you the indices that matter: NDVI, NDWI, EVI, and full true color. Just describe what you want. Meru auto-adjusts the data range to your prompt. And dials in the cloud cover the same way. No sliders, no guesswork. When you're ready, one fetch button pulls the product straight to you. From here, a whole suite of customizable features will take over. You can refine, select, or personalize the view exact for your use case. This is the most powerful part. Our files and tools feature is why you'll come back to us again and again. The custom search function will lock onto your area automatically. No dragging, no moving a needle across the map. And with the 2D to 3D conversion, you can turn any flat scene into a solid view and confirm it from every side. Assume you want to look at the optical records for the past 3 months of your region. Meru pulls it, personalizes entirely to your use case. And it just doesn't hand you the pixels. Meru explains you the results, tells you what they mean, so you understand what exactly you're looking at, directly and instantly. It walks you through every file type you can export and shows you how efficient and modular the whole workflow is. There is a full timeline on how the data was collated with instances laid out, so you can keep complete control and analyze trends over time. And when you're ready to take it all away, just hit the download option. Meru gives you the freedom for analysis of every kind. For example, here is a crisp, high-quality PNG, ready to download and export it. And then there's the globe, the whole world in the palm of your hand. Spin it, zoom it, land anywhere. The entire planet is just one gesture away. Meru also thinks a step ahead. The personalized recommendation bar saves you time by predicting the next part of your project before you ask. It automatically finds the best source and index for your location, and your GeoTIFF is ready to be downloaded, with shading applied across the area perfectly. The in-chat intelligence tailors every response to your needs, customized in the flow of conversation. It auto-selects the best source and time for the job. And then the zipping feature. It hands you a whole set of images at once, so you can analyze trends over time in a single download. Want precise control? The Draw tool lets you outline the exact area of interest. Full of customizability, your boundary, your rules. Then choose the type of data you want, pulled from multiple sources at once. Here, above ground biomass is indexed and analyzed, with the complete data set delivered to you. It is exported as a PNG, ready for proper analysis for you. Now, suppose you want the elevation of the Himalayas. Just say so and customize it for your needs. Meru's model delivers a flawless analysis of the PNG. Letting you approach your project with the best possible accuracy. And it explains it all back to you in plain English, walking you right through the results. Do you want the temperature over Delhi? We've got you. Meru automatically selects the Landsat thermal and fetches the analytics for you. So, no more manual setup required. No digging the right band of information. It is all presented to you easily, just by Meru. And all of this is driven by a powerful data processing engine and an integrate architecture. More than 26 data sources today, scaling towards over 100. And 5 decades of geospatial data at your fingertips. That means you truly get a holistic suite of pipelines across domains, platforms, and indices, all in one place. And for teams who want to build on top of it, the API. It lets you pipeline the entire dataset and every extension, collating it onto the one platform. Sourced directly from us. Meru, the whole earth in one place. Thank you.